Hi guys, happy 4th. I usually make my famous flag pie for every year on the 4th of July since around 2014. Here I'm doing strawberries and I also use cherries usually. That's my favorite mixture. I also like cherry raspberry. I just kind of change it around every year. I usually do this with frozen veggies, but this year I did it with fresh. You don't have to pre-do it. You can just do it with cornstarch and sugar, and I use a little bit of almond extract and some lemon juice because I just think it makes it taste more like pie. It's just delicious here. And cornstarch, of course, half a cup. And you do half a cup of Splenda, and here's the almond extract. And I did blueberry, blackberry in that one, and cherry strawberry in the red one. I forgot to take a picture. They also have these little hand pies sized ones that I got this year from Pillsbury. And I like to use mini fondant cutters to do the stars. It has made it so much easier. I used to hand cut stars, which looked cute and homespun, but I actually really like the uniform Martha Stewart level, uniform perfect stars. And to cut the stripes, I just use a pizza cutter with the second pie crust. I used Pillsbury this year. You can always make your own and roll them out, but I used Pillsbury to cheat and make it a little easier. I try to keep the stripes about as uniform as I can or the same size, but perfection, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's actually kind of cute and again, like homespun or farmhouse looking when it isn't exactly perfect. And what I do is I just kind of put it next to the foil here where you separate the blue and the red for the flag, and I pinch it here so it looks like it is part of the pie. And then I put the stars on. I like to do 13 stars for the 13 original colonies since it's for the 4th of July and all, why not? You go all out. And this is the most satisfying part in my opinion. And I baked my pie for about, it took about an hour. I did 350, but you can do it on 400 for a little bit less time too. I'll put the links to a couple of recipes so you can look at their official one. And then I had this is just like pie filler mix from Duncan Hines. I made it really easy to do some hand pies. I always have leftover fruit, so I've learned my lesson. Do a little Captain America doodad here with some leftover stars too. This is how it turned out this year. And a prettier one, my favorite one, was last year's like this. A little bit fewer stripes, looks really good. You can also do this shape, which I did. This is one from another year, which I really love the look of if you're feeding more people. Here's one that reminds me of Texas with the Lone Star here. Just a piece. And then here's the little hand pies and how they turned out. Great for giving to neighbors if you do that sort of thing. Happy 4th of July, you guys. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you had a good 4th.